What's up everyone, how's it going? This is your man TJ Singh right here, and this is Flipkart's Smart Buy headphone experience. The unboxing that we are going to do with this video and hands-on review for this. And this is the seal right here, and this is the back showing the month and year of import, model name and all. And this is why is this box dull and boring. You can just read this, and let me just quickly cut the seal. And this is a quick unboxing experience of these headphones. So these are the box. So this is our headphone, and you have a thank you note from Flipkart. So this is Flipkart SmartBuy. This is their own brand. So let me just keep everything aside, and we have our headphones in this plastic bag. So guys, these are the headphones right here. So you can see they are completely made out of plastic, but they have tried to build it like they are premium headphones, and you can see the Flipkart SmartBuy branding on either side of the headphone, and you have the right and left side marking as well, but you will see that there is no cushioning on top of it whatsoever. But the cushioning on the headphones themselves itself is quite good. They are quite cushiony, and according to the price tag they are real good, what I feel. You can see I'm just pressing those right now. So if I talk about the wires, you can see these are flat wires, and the 3.5mm headphone jack is covered in a plastic cap. So guys, in the terms of sound quality, you will be having no issues whatsoever with these headphones. The sound quality is quite good according to the price bracket, and the audio separation is quite decent in these headphones as well. The bass is also good, but you will see distortion in full volume, which is simply acceptable things in these kind of price brackets. So overall the voice quality is really good out of this headphone. So this was a quick unboxing and hands-on review for these headphones by Flipkart SmartBuy. I hope you really enjoyed this video, and if you did, give this video a big thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and I will be catching you in the very next one guys. Till then, take care.